Hello from Mittry Lake in Southwestern Arizona. I just couldn't take the ice and the snow back in Indiana, so I packed up the RV and left Park County and headed to the desert. To give you a little reference of where everything is, about 20 minutes drive north of here on a dirt gravel road is the Army's Yuma Proving Ground. So if you have access to the military base, it's pretty convenient to get all your restocking, resupplies all done there. Propane. There's also an RV campground there on the base where you can get fresh water, dump your gray and black tanks. And of course there at the base gas station you can also get more propane. And there's a commissary on base as well. For everyone else it's probably more convenient to go south of here. It's about 5 minutes drive on the dirt gravel road and get back on paved road. But about 30 minutes from here is Yuma. And of course once you get to Yuma you have all the convenience of a city. Super Walmarts, gas stations, restaurants, it's all there in Yuma. For a lot of RVers it might be more convenient though to go northwest of here, about 30 minutes away, is the Imperial Dam. And that's a BLM, Bureau of Land Management. And there's an LTVA, long-term visitor area. It's like $40 for 14 days, $180 for the entire season. So up at Imperial Dam, there's potable water, and there's also the ability to dump your black and gray tanks. Now, just before you get to Imperial Dam, there's a Christian Service Center. It's all out there in that BLM area, right? Lots of just open camping. The Christian Service Center, I saw that they sell propane, but it looks like you can also get fresh water as well as dump your black and gray tank, I think, is at the same place. Now, of course, all this camping out here at Mittry Lake and also over there at Imperial Dam, that whole LTVA area, there's no electricity, so you have to bring your own propane, your own electricity, whether it be generators or solar panels, but you're going to need to bring all that stuff if you want the ability to have electricity, because your battery's not going to last forever. For those who really want to save a lot of money when it comes to dental, eye care, and pharmacy prescription drugs, 30 minutes southwest of here is Los Algodones. All you need is your passport, and you just walk across the border. It's like, I think it was $6 for parking, but it's a secure parking lot. Walk across the border, and it's like about a 4-block by 4-block area, and there's something like 260 dentists, dozens of pharmacies, plenty of places to get eye prescription done, get new glasses. Now for me personally, I had to go down there to get some prescription drugs for my dog. So I just went down there with her empty vials of drugs I've been using with her medical problems, and for like $20 I think I got prednisone, lots of prednisone for her, and I think it was another $12 for some antibiotics. So all in I was only about $30 to get her prescription drugs, and I was able to come right back across the border without a problem. With all those dentists, it's only like $20 to $30 and you can get dental cleaning done. So think about this. You can go down to Los Algodones, just short of the border, park your car for $6, take your passport, walk across the border into Mexico, go into the pharmacy, tell them what drugs you need, what prescription drugs you're on. Might be convenient to bring some empty prescription vials that you're taking. Get basically 6 months worth of medication, walk back across the border, and you're, 2 hours? And you've got 6 months worth of prescription drugs, and you didn't need to go to a doctor to get your prescription refilled. Just take your empty vial with you, cross the border, get it drugs there in Mexico, and come back with your prescription drugs pretty cheap. How do you grow so much vegetables in the desert? What it needs is a Colorado River, of course. Got irrigation canals. Lots of irrigation. I'm guessing over here is more of the same.
Says it's time that I be going on, 'cause there are better things out there for you. She says that every time I see you I know you wish for more, and don't you waste your life away in this one-horse town.
Not sure if the camera's picking this up, but that's a lot of buzzards.
Shine like silver stars. Don't you think it's time that you be leaving this old town? Can't you see it's You could go on anywhere, you know, but just slow down.
After it cools down some bit, I'm going to try and get my trail camera set up someplace up on one of these ridges. I finally found a trail. Looks like I can get back here. I've got some deer bait. There's desert bighorn sheep out here. I've seen 3 of them so far, but I'm going to hopefully get set up so that the camera can grab it. Then there's lots of coyotes. I keep hitting them every night, hollering. They're all around this place. So I got some beef jerky going to set up as well. Brought my binoculars, going to need my phone for the drone. So maybe I'll get some drone footage. Throw it all in my camel pack. Then I've got a new Trekology chair I'm going to try out. Taking water, I'm going to try out this liquid IV. Then I just got some Walmart trail mix. So after the sun goes down a little bit, not quite so high and don't get so hot out here, go take a look on that ridge way over there.
So I said, what's wrong with us so small? And what is so damn wrong about this place? 'Cause everyone I know has got a smile on, and every face I see has got a name. I'd rather be somebody in this small town than be just another face amongst the crowd. Well, the cowboys have their horses and the lovers have their songs, but all I got is this small town, the place where I was born, and the shining gloss of the city, and they draw the world so near.
I think here's as good a spot as any to set the camera up. Looks like we got some draws coming up this way and coming down this way. I'm gonna try to anchor on one of these rocks with the camera and put the bait out. I've seen some scat, but I don't know if they're dog or if there's coyote, because we're really close still to all the campsites. It's easily walkable from all these RVers to come all the way up to here. When I'm losing daylight, it's getting harder to see with the glare. So yeah, I think we're going to set up right here, bait the area, maybe get a coyote, more than likely get a coyote. What I really hope to get is a desert bighorn, but I don't think I'm far enough away from people to get that. And all this rock around here I'm walking on feels echoey, like it's pretty hollow. But you take these rocks, this is all I'm walking on, is all this loose stuff.
Hello, my beautiful sweet girl. I have not held you in so long. Hello, my silent little love. Just too shy to fly on down. Or do you hide yourself away? Why don't you let yourself come out? Hello, my precious little love. Your eyes are like a pair of jewels. You act as bright as all the stars, and all the suns that I have seen. Or do you shy away from it all? Why don't you let yourself come out? So help me, 'cause I'm falling deeper over time. Help me, 'cause these hearts beat so loud. And give it up to me, let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel. And help me, 'cause you're falling deeper in my arms. 'cause this never felt so real. You give it up to me, and let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel.
Walked all the way back here to the truck. Just remember, I never turned on my trail camera. I gotta walk all the way back and turn it on. Oh man. 15 minutes later, I'm back. So this is the Laguna Dam. This is the first dam ever built on the Colorado River. They started construction around 1903, but it took a couple of years for them to finally build it. Now, if I found the right information, part of the problem with building this dam was that a lot of the rock around here was not good quality, so they had to just get rid of like half the rock they brought in because it wasn't suitable. They eventually built a railroad line to help bring out the supplies, the cement and rock to help build this dam, so it took a couple of years. So it's probably around 1908, I think is what I found, when they finally finished building this. But once this dam was built, there was no way to have boat traffic up and down the Colorado River. 30 years after they built the Laguna Dam, just upstream from there, about 15 minutes drive, they built the Imperial Dam, much larger dam. Lots of rules here. Okay, for those who are more adventurous, who want to go a little more off-road, City to Wash North might be for you, but it's a rough road coming down through that little valley up to here. You gotta come down from where all those people are, down into the valley, and then back up this really rough road, and then circle around, go along the ridge line, and all the way back down over there. I don't know, it may not be worth it for you. Your rig will get beat up pretty good going this way. Went down this road a bit, goes down to another valley, and as I started coming to the other side, I was like, nope, this ain't worth it. So I turned around and came back. I would only keep going that way to try to get down there, only if you got like just sleeping in tents, or if you got a truck bed camper. If you're pulling a trailer, especially a very long trailer, forget it, that is not for you. So I said, what's wrong with this old small town? What is so damn wrong about this place? 'Cause everyone I know's got a smile on, and every face I see is got a name. It's been too nice to set up my trail cam. Go hike out here and go take a look at see what we got. So let's see, what could I possibly get? Coyotes, of course. Should be a good chance for some of the desert bighorn, road runners. Quail. I've seen quail out here too. Don't know. Trail cam got a desert fox. That little guy hung out and looked for all the bait, as well as a couple walking their dog. So no desert bighorn. I know that just up the road, about 30 minutes away, there's another place called Imperial Dam. And Imperial Dam, I've seen lots of scat and lots of pictures on YouTube and lots of pictures online of the desert bighorn. So I know if I go and set my camera up there, I should have a much better chance of getting the desert bighorn.
Hello, my treasure chest of gold. Your smile, it sounds just like a fire. And everything I feel is real. It's just a beating in my heart. So I'm waiting for you now. Why don't you come into the light? Everyone I've seen all day can never matter like you do. I cannot feel this can't stop driving to my door. I can't forget your precious smiles. I can't ignore your beauty now. So help me, 'cause I'm falling deeper over time. Help me as these hearts beat so loud. Give it up to me, let your love pour out, and I will give you all this love I feel. Help me as you're falling deeper in my arms. Help me, 'cause this never felt so real. Give it up to me, and let your love pour out, I will give you all this love I feel.